What's up, container fans? I'm Bret. I'm a DevOps sysadmin and a Docker captain, and let me take 2 minutes to explain to you why this is the course for you for learning Kubernetes. This course is for developers, sysadmins, operators, and anyone who's an IT pro who wants to learn Kubernetes end-to-end. I built this course in partnership with Jérôme Petazzoni, who was one of the original DevOps engineers at Docker, and he now flies around the world teaching people Kubernetes in live workshops. We've been working together for a year to build this course to teach you the full stack of tools for using Kubernetes. Now, beyond the basics, there's two things with Kubernetes that I'm going to focus on with you in this course. One is the correct way to use the tool for DevOps and GitOps practices. And two, Kubernetes is known for being rather complex to implement and manage. So we're going to be focusing as well on the tools and techniques for making it easier to use and to manage in a small team. Now, if you're wondering whether or not you should be learning Kubernetes right now, let me tell you, there are so many good reasons to learn Kubernetes, which is why it was voted by 90,000 developers as one of the most wanted platforms in the Stack Overflow survey of 2019. If you've never taken one of my courses before, then get ready to learn in so many more ways than just watching lecture videos. I give you plenty of supplemental reading, tons of hands-on exercises, and you'll get exclusive access to a Slack chat with more than 21,000 students, and even YouTube live chats with me about the course. But why should you trust me with your learning about DevOps tools? Well, in the last few years, more than 130,000 students have taken my courses online, and I've taught over 5,000 people at conferences and workshops on Docker and Kubernetes. I'm a Docker captain, and in 2018, I was honored on stage at DockerCon in front of over 5,000 people with a leadership award for helping so many others improve their career with Docker. Hey, but don't take my word for it. Look at all these 5-star reviews from students of my courses. I also get lots of great reviews on Twitter where students love to show off their certificate of completion. And something that I'm very proud of is when students tell me that they've gotten better jobs in DevOps because of my courses. Now, of course, you've got to do the work, but that's the thing I love about this is teaching and helping others. So please look at some of the sample videos that you'll be learning in this course, and I look forward to seeing you learning Kubernetes with me.